Hi, everyone. My name is Patty Sibanda. I'm an independent distributor of Riverbed products. Today, I just want to take you through our products, what we have on offer, how they work, and what they are. Okay, so we basically have two main products. The first one is Miiracell Plus, which is a stem cell product, and then we've got Miiracell, which is a slimming product. Our Miiracell comes in a red box. And in each box there is 24 sachets. Our Miiracell comes in a yellow box, and there's also 24 sachets in each box. So our products are FDA approved. Yeah. Okay, so talking about stem cells, what are stem cells? I have explained here shortly. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. So what this means, it basically means that every other type of cell in the body comes from stem cells. It's generated by stem cells. So under normal circumstances in the body, stem cells will divide to form more cells, which we can call daughter cells. So these daughter cells, they either become new stem cells, which means more stem cells in the process called self-renewal, or they become specialized cells in a process called differentiation. So specialized cells, they've got a more specific function. It could be blood cells, it could be brain cells, it could be heart, muscle cells, or bone cells. So basically no other cell in the body has the natural ability to generate new cell types except for stem cells. Okay. So why is there such interest in stem cell therapy or in stem cell studies? Stem cells help to generate healthy cells, like we've mentioned. They replace diseased cells, damaged and weakened cells. So this is the regenerative medicine. Stem cells, they differentiate into becoming specific cells that can be used to regenerate and repair diseased or damaged tissues in human bodies. Stem cells have the remarkable self-renewal ability. So it means they are able to continually renew themselves. They continually renew themselves and are also capable of differentiating into multiple diverse cells. So they don't only self-renew, but they're also capable of producing other different types of cells in the body. So there's basically an increasing evidence that the aging process can have adverse effects on stem cells. So yeah, what this means is that as people grow older, the ability of their stem cells to do what they were doing originally, like this self-renewal ability as well as the differentiation ability, it deteriorates as we age. Okay, so as stem cells age, their renewal ability deteriorates and their ability to differentiate into various cell types is altered. Accordingly, it is suggested that aging-induced deterioration of stem cell functions may play a key role in the pathophysiology of the various aging-associated disorders. Okay, so what this means is that the reason why we see a lot of elderly people, they are suffering from one thing or the other, it has been proven that it has to do with their ability of their stem cells to self-renew or to undergo the differentiation process. So what this basically means is that as we grow older, our stem cells, they no longer function the way they used to do. So they basically age. Their ability is sort of like deteriorates. So they basically no longer doing what they are meant to do. Okay, going on to the next slide. So I'm just giving a background so that we understand why we should then supplement our stem cells using plant-based stem cell products. Okay. So if you consider the body not as a single entity but a dynamic multitude of cells growing, changing, dying, and being born, the cells make up and replenish the body's tissues and organs, acting in concert and communicating in fascinating ways to keep the body in good working order. In many tissues, other stem cells are not at the root of this process, tasked with supplying cells to maintain normal tissue function and facilitating regeneration in response to injury. It is logical then to assume that as our bodies grow older and our organs and faculties begin to degenerate, our stem cells must be failing us. So this is a reality. As we grow older, our stem cells will not be able to work properly. They are now aged. Most of them are diseased. They are weakened. So hence the reason why we find a lot of elderly people are sick. They are suffering from one thing or the other. It is as a result of cellular degeneration. So it is normally suggested that everyone above the age of 25 years, once you get to 25 years, your stem cells are no longer functioning the way they are supposed to be. They have undergone a process of degeneration. Some cells are dead, some cells are damaged, some are diseased, some are weakened. So you definitely need to supplement them, whether you are sick or not. This is a process that we all undergo as human beings. Okay, so Miiracell is a plant-based stem cell. So why do we prefer plant-based stem cells? Because there is human stem cells, but our products are all plant-based. Okay, I will explain briefly why we prefer as a plant-based stem cells, or why there is so much interest now on the plant-based stem cells instead of the human stem cells. Plant stem cells are innately undifferentiated cells located in the meristems of plants. So it means they basically originate from plants. Plant stem cells serve as the origin of plant vitality as they maintain themselves while providing a steady supply of precursor cells to form differentiated tissues and organs in the plant. So basically the plant stem cells, they've got the same function in the plants as the human stem cells have in the human beings. So they are responsible for the plant vitality, which means they are actually responsible for the life of a plant. Plant stem cells are characterized by two distinctive properties, which are the ability to create all differentiated cell types. So they also have the ability to differentiate, and they also have the ability to self-renew, such that the number of stem cells is maintained. So they've got the ability to differentiate into different kinds of cells, and they also have the ability to renew themselves. Plant stem cells never undergo aging process. So that's one distinct property of plant stem cells. Remember, our own stem cells undergo aging process, but plant stem cells never undergo aging process. But immortality gives rise to new specialized and unspecialized cells, and they have the potential to grow into any organ, tissue, or cell in the body. So when we take a plant stem cells, what we're basically saying, we are saying, okay, now that our own stem cells are failing us because of sicknesses, because of age, so we are actually using plant stem cells to supplement our very own human stem cells. Why? Because plant stem cells, they don't die, they don't undergo the aging process. Their ability to self-renew and to differentiate remains the same, regardless of how old we are. As long as we've administered or taken plant stem cells, the process of self-renewal and differentiation will continue to happen in our bodies. through the plant stem cells. So that's the advantage of plant stem cells over human stem cells. They don't undergo aging. Their self-renewal ability does not deteriorate. Their differentiation ability does not deteriorate also. Okay, so that is why if you see, unlike I said, unlike animals or humans, plants are immobile. So as plants cannot escape from danger by taking motion, they need a special mechanism to withstand various and sometimes unforeseen environmental stress. So here is what empowers them to withstand harsh external influence and preserve life. It is actually the stem cells. So the ability of plants to withstand all the harsh environmental conditions, they get it from the stem cells. So which means plant stem cells are very strong. They are very powerful. They are very, what do you call it? They not easily they give the plant that ability to withstand all the harsh environmental stress and all sorts of things. So which basically means when us as human beings take these stem cells, the same function that they have in plants, we inherit it. They have the same. They will do exactly the same job that they were doing in the plants. If they are giving the plant the ability to withstand all the various and unforeseen environmental stress, which means when we take plant stem cells, they will also give our body tissues the ability to withstand all the harsh external or internal influence, like the diseases, the stress, and whatever it is that may affect us. So yeah, so basically this is why we really talking about plant stem cells and why we are so much interested in our product Miiracell, which is a plant-based stem cell. Okay, so our stem cell is a Miiracell product. It's an all-rounder stem cell product ahead of its time that can deal with over 200 different ailments at cellular level. So that's the composition of Miiracell. It's got 14 ingredients. We've got astaxanthin, we've got goji berry, we've got kiwi fruit, salmon ovary peptide, ashwagandha, we've got aquamine, we've got alpha, we've got collagen soy soup, we've got pomegranate, we've got bilberry, we've got bee propolis, we've got ascorbic acid, and last but not least, we've got one of the best ingredients, which is the apple stem cell. Okay, so I'll just quickly read through the slides, what each and one of these ingredients help our bodies with. So we've got apple stem cells. Stem cells are super unique in that they have the ability to go through numerous cycles and cell divisions while maintaining the undifferentiated state. Primarily, stem cells are capable of self-renewal and can transform themselves into other cell types of the same. Okay, and then we've got goji berry. The health benefits of goji berries: they are very nutritious. They're an excellent source of antioxidants. They help reduce blood sugar levels. They may have anti-aging benefits. They may help prevent cancer growth, may improve blood sugar control, may boost energy levels, may also help with improve cholesterol levels and weight loss as well. Okay, going to the third and the fourth ingredients, we've got astaxanthin and the kiwi fruit. Okay, so the kiwi fruit, it's an antioxidant. Contains antioxidants including vitamin C, choline, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Help remove free radicals from the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that the body produces during metabolism and other processes. And then we've got the astaxanthin. That's a reddish pigment called carotenoid, which occurs naturally in certain algae, high in antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. This is just a summary. And then we've got pomegranate. It's the healthiest fruit. It's actually available in Southern Africa. It's an antioxidant. It contains important nutrients, fiber, protein, vitamin C and K, potassium, calcium. Prevents heart disease. It helps with digestion, and it also prevents cancer. And then we've got the salmon ovary peptide. It's produced from a fish salmon, usually found in Japan. It provides anti-aging effects, extends to various functions from moisturizing, whitening, repairing, and defending and preserving the skin. And then we've got ashwagandha and aquamin. So here's a dozen proven health benefits of ashwagandha. Its medicinal use in Ayurveda. It reduces blood sugar levels. It's got anti-cancer properties. It reduces cholesterol levels. It reduces symptoms of depression. It reduces stress and anxiety. It boosts testosterone and increases fertility in men. It increases muscle mass and strength. And then we go to aquamin. It's a natural marine-derived multimineral from the Lithothamnion species of red algae, rich in calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and selenium, as well as 72 other trace minerals. It is crafted naturally in the sea, providing bioavailable minerals in the same ratios as needed for optimal it is gone there. Okay, and then we've got ascorbic acid and soy soup. So ascorbic acid is got vitamin C. It's necessary for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. It is involved in many body functions, including formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the proper functioning of the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. Okay, and then we've got the soy soup. It provides good amount of fiber, vitamin B1, B2, and C, amino, calcium, carbohydrates, potassium. Helps kill cancer cells. It fights bacteria and reduces inflammation, and it helps to maintain stable sugar levels. And then our collagen and propolis. Marine collagen helps the body absorb calcium, phosphorus, and other beneficial minerals that promote bone strength. Plus, it is a potential therapeutic agent in the treatment of osteoarthritis and osteoporosis, making it great for bone strength improvement. And then I've got propolis. Its extracts have numerous applications in treating various diseases due to antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antimycotic, antifungal, anti-ulcer, anti-cancer, and immunomodulatory properties. Okay, so this one is basically good also for wound healing. And then we've got bilberry and alpha. It's close related to blueberries, rich in antioxidants, reduces inflammation and blood sugar levels, improves vision and heart health. And then we've got alpha. It's organic, clinically proven that produces cell inside the body. It helps to boost immune system, improving memory, prevents heart disease, and it improves digestion. Okay, like I've mentioned, our Miiracell Plus, it's got 24 sachets in a box, and it's in powder form, and you actually put it under your tongue on the sublingual glands for easy absorption. Okay, so this is how you take Miiracell. Directions to take Miiracell: you consume 1 sachet per day, preferable on an empty stomach. In the morning, you place under your tongue, you wait until it dissolves completely. After 30 minutes of consuming, you can drink your water. And then, yeah, it's advisable to take up to 2 liters a day. Okay, so overall, the benefits of using Miiracell Plus: it promotes colon health, it improves liver health, it repairs, moisturizes a youthful skin, it reduces oxidative stress, it reduces high blood pressure, it improves heart health, it prevents diabetes, it prevents strokes, it improves digestion, it regulates blood sugar, reduces DNA damage, improves vision, contains vitamin C, prevents Alzheimer's, prevents arthritis, prevents cancer, and many other chronic illnesses. Okay, so this is just a list of some of the diseases that a Miiracell Plus can help with. It's not limited to this. So those are some of the diseases that we have recorded testimonies on. The likes of cataract, diabetes, glaucoma, hypertension, leukemia, kidney and liver health, stroke, prostate cancer, and all those. I'm not going to go through all of them. Eczema, memory loss, insomnia. Yeah, so we've got a number of testimonies which we can share with anybody that wants to try our products. Okay, so why is Miiracell the best stem cell product on the market? We offer 24 sachets per pack to take users throughout the whole month. We offer 14 newly added plant-based stem cells in our product with an added apple stem cell, making it very much effective. So our product has got a good quantity, weighing 2.5 2,500 milligrams. It's affordable for both new and for repurchase as well. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot from this presentation. If you need more information, please feel free to contact myself or any other leader that is within your reach. So I am contactable on this number, South African number, 065 842 1689. 065 842 1689. 065 842 1689. And this is a South African number. Thank you so much. Bye.